So, you decided to start a business in California. That's a very exciting step. But if you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all of the legal steps, then don't worry, you are not alone. Setting up an LLC might sound complicated, but if you follow the right steps in the right order, then it's actually pretty straightforward. So in this video, I will walk you through the entire process of forming an LLC in California. And by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to make your LLC official and compliant with state laws. So if that sounds good, then go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get started. Now, before you do anything else, you need to make sure that your business name is unique. California requires all LLCs to have a name that includes limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. It also can't be too similar to another registered business in the state. Every LLC in California must have a registered agent. Now, this is someone who will receive legal documents on behalf of your business. Your registered agent must have a physical address in California and be available during business hours. To make your LLC official, you need to file the Articles of Organization with the California Secretary of State. This form includes details about your business, like its name, principal address, registered agent information, and management structure. You can file online, by mail, or in person, but online filing is the fastest option. The state charges a $70 filing fee, and processing usually takes a few business days. Once your Articles of Organization are approved, your LLC is legally recognized in California. Now, California requires you to file a Statement of Information with the Secretary of State. Now, this form provides updated details about your LLC, including its address, management structure, and registered agent. The filing fee for the Statement of Information is $20. After the initial filing, you'll need to submit this form every 2 years to keep your LLC in good standing. California doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it is a very good idea to have one. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, who the members are, and how decisions will be made. Even if you're the only owner, having an operating agreement helps establish clear business guidelines and can protect you in case of legal disputes. Many banks and investors also require an operating agreement before working with your LLC, so it's a smart move to draft one early. Next up, an employer identification number, or EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. It's required if you plan to hire employees, or open a business bank account, or file federal taxes. Now, the good news is that applying for an EIN is free, and it takes only just a few minutes. You can apply directly on the IRS website and get your EIN immediately after completing the online form. Unlike some states, California has an annual LLC tax that applies to all LLCs, regardless of income. Every LLC in California must pay an $800 annual franchise tax to the California Franchise Tax Board. This payment is due by the 15th day of the 4th month after your LLC is formed. If your LLC makes more than $250,000 per year, you may also have to pay an additional LLC fee based on your total revenue. After setting up your LLC, you need to stay on top of your ongoing requirements. California requires LLCs to file a Statement of Information every 2 years to update their business details. Staying compliant will help you avoid fines and ensure that your LLC remains in good standing with the state. And that's it. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in California from start to finish. While there are a few extra requirements in this state, following these steps will ensure your LLC is set up correctly and legally compliant. If you found this guide very helpful, then please do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, but most importantly, drop a comment below if you have any questions about this process, and we'll answer them for you. And for more business resources, check out simplifyllc.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business in California.